Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to compute BMI. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So in order to do that, head over and click on the search right here and search in here for compute BMI. So there's actually a lot of BMI calculator online, but you can also head over and then compute it by yourself using the formula that they have. So you have in here this calculate your body mass index. Head over and then click on that, and then from in there you should be able to see in here this. So let me just zoom in. Now you can actually use in here feet and inches as well as pounds, or you can also use in here a metric standards like your height in centimeters and your weight in kilograms. For example, let's use in here the metric, and for example the height is around 171 centimeters and the weight is around 75. Now let's click in here for compute BMI. Then as you can see, the BMI is around 25.6. We can see right here that the 25.6 is around overweight right here. So that means that we need to diminish our weight because we can't diminish our height. So diminish her weight into 75 kilograms or lower in order to get the normal weight category. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful or if you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.